guys, my name is Olga and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you my way of styling short and curly hair. I hope you like it. Enjoy! Hi there! So the first thing you want to do is brush your hair. Just a little bit to make sure there's no knots. You want to part your hair at the same time. I like it in the middle, but it's gonna be up to you. This is when you want to part your hair, is when they're wet after the shower. Okay, after you're done, comb in your hair. You're going to, what I usually do, I'm applying this oil. This is a coconut oil for your hair. Just a little bit to keep your ends moisturized. About this much. And you're going to evenly, don't touch the roots, just kind of the ends. Just a little bit. To go run through. Moisturization, I'm gonna apply my styling cream. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this styling cream. This is foxycurls by Bedhead. It's pretty good. It's light, it's not heavy. I don't like my curls to be sticky and heavy. I prefer my curls to stay light throughout the day, so I just apply a little bit and I'm gonna work it through all my curls. First, using these brush movements. It also helps with the frizz. Honestly, not too much. I live in Florida, but it dries. Also, I'm gonna crunch it like this, so some of the curls are already going to form at this particular moment. Okay, let's do it. Make sure you work through every part, even here. I leave some hair up and work through the ends. Another tip I'm gonna show you. This is what I do to help my curls form the shape. After I apply my cream, I'm gonna take little parts of my hair and I'm gonna do this motion, twisting it, holding it and letting go. It's still twisted, but it helps when you dry your hair to save this shape. Just in a few parts. After this moment, I'll leave it down for approximately 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm going to use my diffuser tool to dry it. Let's wait. Hi, so I'm back. It's been 15 minutes and I'm going to show you how I dry my hair using this diffuser attachment and my regular Revlon hair dryer. So for this drying session, you're going to have to lift your hair and head down. Let's start like this and just on a low setting, but I use high heat but on a low setting. I keep it about 5 seconds, then I move to the next part. drying session about till my hair about 90% dry, and then watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take out, this is only my preference, okay? I take out this attachment, and I'm gonna, I would call it whip my hair just a little bit to give it extra volume under my roots. So you want to cool it down a little bit, holding your head down. And keep crunching. The next step, you're going to make sure your parts is okay. That's it. We're almost done, but there is one more step into my procedure. I'm gonna tell you in a second. Hi, and for another step, next step is optional, but I prefer to do it because some of my curls still don't have too much shape. So I'm gonna fix it up by using my curling iron. This is by Conair, regular cheap curling iron I got in Marshall's or TJ Maxx a while ago. Anyway, so it's quite small. All you're gonna do, put it in a high heat setting. I'm using the highest heat, and all you're gonna do, look for small parts like this curl is not really curled up too much. I'm gonna take this little piece and holding my iron downwards like this, I'm gonna wrap this piece of hair around it and hold it for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you want to hold it just a little bit with your hand so it's cooled down a little bit and keep the shape. Okay, now I'm gonna work a few more pieces. And for the last step, we're going to use this little hairspray to hold the curls, because trust me, they all go down. Next step, I'm going to be using this G volume spray to put it under my roots. I'm gonna lift up part of my hairs and spray it a little bit with this volume spray. And then you're going to flick it like this and hold it down until it dries.